Racing as expected. We have Maria's break quickly at the start. Moving up Hyper Franco. Stormtrooper then followed by Lucky Lorkia. Down on the inside now is Conquistador while Unequaled is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn we have Hyper Franco by about 4 lengths. Conquistador is right behind in second. Moving up for the outside is Stormtrooper. In the middle portion, Lucky Lorky. Down on the inside now is Marias. While Unequaled is still racing in less. This time by about 10 lengths from last to first. Back to the leader, we have Hyper Franco by about 6 lengths. Conquistador now coming closer in second. Lucky Lorky still in third. Stormtrooper comes next. Is Marias while Unequaled is still racing in less. Another far turn, we have Hyper Franco, this time by about 3 lengths. Then here comes Conquistador, now coming closer in second. Lucky Lorky, Stormtrooper is Marias, then Unequaled as they swing for home. We have Hyper Franco, Conquistador now moving up on the outside to take the lead. It's now Conquistador by about 3 lengths, followed by Hyper Franco, and finally Conquistador. Hyper Franco, Lucky Lorky, Stormtrooper.
Dehado kaagad tayo po. So, it was Conquistador, 3, 4, 5, 6. Naalala ko,